Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Technical Notice Board. So where you can get the notification for all the technical events for both faculty and students. In this video I am going to tell you about the faculty recruitment in IIT Delhi. So this is an official website and I'll post the link in the description, you can check it. So here there are two categories: faculty positions and the English language instructors. So it also IIT Delhi is also having a recruitment for English language instructors and a faculty positions. So for assistant professor and for associate and full professor. So if you go with the assistant professor, so go with the advertisements. So you'll be getting the complete advertisement, 21-page advertisement. So read carefully all the 21 pages so that you can get a clarity what they will be offering for assistant professor grade 1 and grade 2. So here there are the various academic units recruiting assistant professor in their areas are given below, and the department wise specializations, areas and specific qualification experiences are specified. So Department of Applied Mechanics, biochemical engineering, chemical engineering, civil, computers, design, electrical engineering, energy science. So there are 23 departments who are offering the recruitment process for assistant professors grade 1 and grade 2. So go through these grade complete procedures and see the qualification for assistant professor: PhD with a first class or equivalent in the preceding degree and specialization in the appropriate area or a branch with a consistently good academic record throughout. And assistant professor grade 1 candidates with at least 3 years of industry or research or teaching experience may be considered for the post. So the qualification: the experience gained before and while pursuing PhD is excluded for consideration. So after completion of PhD you must require at least 3 years of experience. So before PhD they will not be considering. And candidates with a PhD but with less than 3 years of industry or research teaching experience may be considered for the post of assistant professor grade 2. So this is for grade 1 and this is for grade 2. And submission deadline: so the advertisement is available in this particular homepage. So uh, see, in case of any queries you can contact they have given the contact details, you can contact them. And the completed application along with the supported document should be submitted on or before 31st December 2024 5 p.m. So the deadline, the last date to apply is December 31st 2024. So you have to log into this website and you can check the status of the application also. And for any technical help you can submit your queries to these particular email IDs. So instructions for completing the application form: so there are a lot of instructions given. So how to write the cover letter, what to be updated in a work experience, and what to be updated in the research plan, okay, and what to be updated in this academic profile and area of specializations. And they have given the pay structure. So assistant professor grade 1 7th CPC pay scale level 12 with a minimum pay of 1 lakh 1500, and the division was given here. And similarly assistant professor grade 2 7th CPC pay level 10 with a minimum pay of 70,900. Okay, so this post also carries allowances such as a DA, house rent allowances, transport allowances, so telephone charges reimbursement as per institution rules, which are present correspond to those admissible to central government employees stationed in Delhi. There. Benefits of LTC, children education allowance, and contribution towards new pension scheme shall be permissible as per GOI rules. So you just go through the complete 21-page document so that you will be getting an idea. See, so they have given areas in which applications are sought in academic units with additional shortlisting criteria. So how they can be criteria, how they can be shortlisted, and everything, every detail has been given in this particular 21-page document. So once read carefully about this document, and if you feel that you are eligible to apply for this post, so grab this opportunity, just apply on or before You have to submit on or before December 31st, 2024, 5 p.m. And similarly, they have given the benefits and incentives also. The complete details have been given. So this is a 4 page. So what are the benefits and incentives you'll be getting? So see, you can check medical benefits, medical insurance, term insurance, retirement benefits, leave travel concession, reimbursement of telephone bills, etc., etc. Everything has been given in detail. So you just go through these documents, and you'll be getting a clarity, and you can apply for this job. So you can click on apply, and you can fill the application also. And similarly, English language instructions, this is also same. You can go with the advertisement. So read out the advertisement. So unreserved and reserved, how many vacancies are there, and the essential qualification, and see PhD in English and allied disciplines. And you just age limit is there, age preferably below 45 years, and how to apply. They have given, say here, the procedure, right? So this is, yeah, the deadline is uh, not 31st December for English instructors, the position for English instructors. That is on or before 26th November 2024. This month, 26th. Okay, that means 10 days. After 10 days, it will be expired, right? So you, before 10 days, you have to apply for this particular post, right? So yeah, so read out the complete instructions, and don't miss the opportunity. So you can be the assistant professor grade 1 and grade 2 of IIT Delhi. Okay, so all the very best.